In the world, there are around 3.4 billion employees, okay, that are working, but 80% of these people doesn't have a desk as a main stage of work. They are moving around the world. Then wearable devices are the right answer to these people that till today needed to use tablet, laptop or a paper manual. Then we developed a solution to boost the functionality of wearable devices with two main use cases. First use case is to let people that is doing installation, that is making audit or is making any kind of maintenance to get the benefit of the real-time communication with some remote expert, so that the expert can see what the smart glasses is streaming and can drive on the small screen information to help the guys in doing the right activity. Here you can see the demo of the application. The second use case is the capability to connect our platform to some legacy system at the customer side, to API, so that, for instance, if we have a content management system or a trouble ticketing management system on our ERP or a production system, the operator through the smart glass can see and can interact with the system itself. Then we can receive documentation, can receive task activities